One word to describe our journey.
A roller coaster.
All-consuming.
Relentless. Is lonely.
Felt like a marathon. Grueling is the word.
Challenging. Epic.
Life-changing, but also hopeful.
Hope.
It's hope. Difficult. Heartbreaking. Yeah. But worth it.
Mixed in with love, loss.
I think resilience is the word I would pick.
It taught me resilience.
Amazing.
Courage.
Within that amazing, there's all lots and lots of different words.
It's a roller coaster.